Hello, little explorers! Are you ready to meet animals from A to Z? Come along on this amazing adventure where each animal will tell you its name in a fun way. Let's start with the letter A. A is for alligator. Snap, snap, snap. I'm Allie the alligator with big strong jaws in a cool swamp crater. B is for bear. Hi there, I'm Barry the big brown bear. I sleep in caves and love fresh air. C is for cat. Purr, purr, meow. I'm a clever cat. I chase little mice and love a nap. D is for dog. Woof, woof. I'm Danny the dog. I wag my tail and leap over logs. E is for elephant. Trumpet sound. I'm Ellie the elephant. My trunk is long and very elegant. F is for fox. I'm Freddy the fox, quick and sly, with a bushy tail and a twinkle in my eye. G is for giraffe. Hello, I'm Gina the giraffe, so tall. I eat green leaves and see over all. H is for hippo. Splish splash. I'm Henry the hippo. I love muddy water and move kind of slow. I is for iguana. I'm Izzy the iguana, green and bright. I love to sunbathe in the light. J is for jaguar. Roar! I'm Jasmine the jaguar, so fast. I run through the jungle and never come last. K is for kangaroo. Boing, boing! I'm Katie Kangaroo. My baby's in my pouch and hops with me too. L is for lion. Roar! I'm Leo the lion, king of the land, with a golden mane that looks so grand. M is for monkey. I'm Max the monkey. I swing from trees and act real funky. N is for newt. Hi, I'm Nina the newt, small and slick. I live in ponds and jump real quick. O is for owl. Hoot, hoot. I'm Oscar the owl at night. I see in the dark with my big round sight. P is for penguin. Waddle, waddle. I'm Penny the penguin. I slide on ice. It's so fun in the wind. Q is for quail. Quickly now, I'm Quincy the quail, with a little top feather and a tiny tail. R is for rabbit. Hop, hop. I'm Ruby the rabbit. I munch on carrots. It's my favorite habit. S is for snake. Hiss. I'm Sammy the snake, so sly. I slither and slide without saying hi. T is for tiger. Grrr. I'm Tara the tiger with orange stripes. I roar real loud and take big hikes. U is for Uriel. I'm Umi the Uriel, a wild mountain sheep. I climb up high and take big leaps. V is for vulture. I'm Victor, the vulture with wings so wide. I soar in the sky and gently glide. W is for whale. Whoosh! I'm Wendy the whale, so blue. I sing ocean songs and splash with my crew. X is for X-ray tetra. I'm Zeno, the X-ray tetrafish. See through me like a glass dish. Y is for yak. I'm Yo-Yo the yak, fluffy and strong. I live in the mountains all day long. Z is for zebra. Nay, I'm Zoe the zebra, black and white. Running on the plains is my delight. Wow, you met animals from A to Z. Which one was your favorite? Let's sing it again next time. Bye-bye, little explorers.